orchard, and I have my good friend Lisa helping us install new packages of bees. This is just in time for the bloom, which is right around the corner. Could be as early as next week. And we're going to tell you what our process is. The process kind of varies slightly depending on the weather. We have ideal conditions to do the simplest and gentlest process for these packages. So I'm just closing this hive here. I couldn't hear anything.
I know, and I thought I lost them.
Yeah. So I was thrilled too when I saw.
Yeah, I bet you were.
I was like, I can't believe it. I only lost one.
I bet.
That never happened.
Yeah, I know a lot of people that lost a lot.
Oh yeah. Also marked. She's right there. There. Pretty little thing. What a beautiful day for this. Oh, can't beat it. Done it in all kinds of weather. Thanks for joining us.